Hi, my name is Sally O'Meara, and I'm the nurse educator here at DiaMedical USA. In my experience working with nursing students, I discovered new ways to increase their engagement in the sim lab. Hearing a patient retching takes on new meaning for students when they see that there's vomit on the patient's gown and in the emesis basin. I hated making up fresh batches of simulated vomit each day and cleaning up the mess afterwards. So I found a way to make realistic, reusable simulated body fluids that I can keep in the cupboard and pull out as needed for simulations. I'm here today to share my not-so-secret recipe with you. The first thing you need is some candles in whatever colors you choose. They can be cheap ones from the dollar store. There's no need for fancy scented ones. Simply light the candle and let the wax start melting a little bit. If you're working with any kind of fabric, it's a good idea to put some newspaper or cardboard underneath. This is just in case the melted wax seeps through the fabric. Tilt the candle over so that the wax drips onto the patient gown, emesis basin, dressing, or bed linens, wherever the patient threw up. Using different colors of wax helps make the simulated vomit look more real. You can use different shades of red if the patient has a GI bleed. Sometimes a little soot from the wick gets mixed in as well, which makes it look even better. When you're happy with how the wax looks, it's time for the pièce de résistance, a glossy finish that makes it look wet, like the patient just threw up. I recommend using a polyurethane spray or a clear acrylic sealer like Mod Podge. Polyurethane looks great, but it does smell really bad. Acrylic works just as well without the odor. Don't worry about being neat about this. It's actually better if it gets splattered around the wax a bit. This makes it look like the watery fluid from the vomit soaked into the fabric. Just let the gloss dry overnight and you're ready to take simulation to a whole new level. DiaMedical's mission is simple: to improve the quality of healthcare by providing innovative tools to educate the next generation of medical professionals. Follow us on social media to stay up to date on all of our upcoming episodes. We're excited to provide a new level of insight into the products that our customers find most useful. This was Tuesday Teachings, helping to bring our products into your practice.